Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Join us in the studio, Emily Frankowski from Connect2Culture. Welcome back to the show. Hard to believe it's already been a month since the last time we spoke. It doesn't seem like it was that long ago.
There's so much going on all the time.
And that's a great thing. You know, we were talking about that. It is great to have so many excellent opportunities in the area. And we're highlighting just a few of them, but we've got a couple right off the top to talk about this morning.
Yes, we do. The first one we've got is Steven Spooner, who is coming to Joplin this Friday, which is February 10th. And he's a wonderful pianist. He's world-renowned. He's award-winning. I actually first learned of him because when I was in high school, I attended the Missouri Fine Arts Academy, which, if you don't know about the Academy, it is a state-funded program that high schoolers across Missouri can apply for if they want to further their learning on anything arts related, be it visual or performing. I went for vocal performance and got to take a lot of different classes with a lot of wonderful musicians. He was one of them. And so when I was programming the season, I thought, and we have this beautiful new 1949 restored Steinway. If you haven't seen it, you haven't heard it, it's worth a trip
it's
just
incredible.
For that. And when I was thinking about that, I thought, Steven Spooner. You know, he was a wonderful teacher. He actually is a teacher at the Peabody Institute right now, which is a very prestigious conservatory for music students that want to go into the profession of music. He is going to be giving a free performance this Friday, February 10th. You don't need to have any tickets. You don't need to have any reservations. Additionally, the next day, February 11th, just so happens to be my birthday.
Happy early birthday.
Thank you. He's going to be giving a free and open to the public workshop that is artistry and piano performance. A lot of students from the Joplin Piano Teachers Association will be attending, as well as their teachers. Anyone can come and sit in on this. After that, he has a couple, actually maybe a few one-on-one master classes with some very exceptional students in piano that want to continue that. So it's just wonderful that we have the opportunity to bring him to the Harry M. Cornell Arts and Entertainment Complex through a grant by the W.R. Corley Memorial Trust, just to provide entertainment for people that love piano, as well as for students to inspire them to continue and to either go into a profession of being a performer or maybe even a teacher.
So certainly some excellent opportunities, whether you just want to listen or, like you said, if you want to advance your musical career, excellent opportunities. It's great to be able to have these resources here in the 4 states. Emily, thank you so much. Again, there's so much going on. We're going to have you come back in our second half hour. We're going to cover a couple other things and some additional things going on out there that we can't get to on this list. This is a short list, and there's a ton more than this, and we'll cover all of that when we come back.